Staring at a list of cold contacts, trying to think of a reason to reach out that doesn't sound desperate is exhausting. Most people default to sending a generic just checking in message and simply hope for a response. But sending an unprompted check-in puts the entire burden of the conversation on the client. To actually get a response, your outreach has to bring immediate, relevant value to their specific situation. Looking at this staircase of perceived value, we can see exactly how clients categorize the professionals they interact with. The bottom two steps, the salesperson and the nice person, are viewed as purely transactional. To reach the top tier, you have to operate as a fiduciary, consistently acting in their best interest with information that matters. You can configure a free digital personal assistant using Google Alerts in under 5 minutes to fully automate those high-value touchpoints. Progressing up that staircase requires delivering hyper-relevant information on a consistent schedule. This automated system ensures you always have the right data at the right time. Before setting up the engine, you need an active Gmail account and a defined list of the local farm areas or neighborhoods you intend to target. Next, open your CRM and completely remove the concept of a follow-up column. You are going to replace it permanently with a next step column. A note that says follow up next week provides no direction. An actionable next step, like sending an update on local zoning laws, gives you a valuable reason to make contact. Tracking those next steps is useless if you lack the localized information to execute them, so let's build the tool that gathers it for you. Log into your Google Workspace or Gmail account and navigate directly to the Google Alerts dashboard. The foundational step is to monitor your personal brand. You do this by creating an alert for your own name. If you type your name directly into the search box, you will receive alerts for every person on the internet who shares your first or last name. You have to wrap your name in quotation marks to force an exact match. From there, you layer your search terms. Create an alert that combines your exact name in quotes with your specific city. Then, set up alerts for hyper-local real estate terms. Type in your target neighborhood alongside keywords like zoning, new development, or commercial shifts. Possessing this automated flow of hyper-local data moves you out of the nice person category and secures your spot on the knowledgeable tier. Now that the market data is flowing, we can expand the system to track specific high-profile individuals within your sphere of influence. Looking at this radar setup, you want to input the exact names of your VIP clients, major local employers, and local politicians. When one of these individuals hits the news, you get an immediate ping. This gives you the tactical advantage of being able to text them a genuine congratulations the exact moment they achieve a public milestone or get quoted in the press. You do need to be selective. Tracking too many highly active entities will quickly clog your inbox with irrelevant updates. Reaching out to celebrate a client's success without asking for a transaction in return is a direct way to build the trust required for long-term loyalty. If left on the default settings, this system will ping you every single time a keyword hits the internet. That will flood your inbox and likely cause you to abandon the tool entirely. To prevent that, click the settings gear next to your active alerts to open the options menu. As highlighted here, locate the How Often setting. Check the box to configure the delivery format to at most once a day. Consolidating all that chaotic internet noise into a single, predictable daily email protects your focus and ensures you actually use the intelligence you gather. The configuration is now complete. Your digital assistant is actively monitoring the internet in the background. Tomorrow morning, instead of wondering what to post or who to text, you will wake up to a curated silver platter of market updates and VIP news. Your assignment for tomorrow is to take one article from your first digest and match it to a specific client in your CRM. Email that article to them using the exact subject line, "Saw this and thought of you." Clients respond differently to this outreach. Instead of an ignored check-in, you create an opening for a real conversation based on what they care about. Moving up the staircase of value is a long-term project. By systematizing this one stream of intelligence, you ensure that every interaction you have is built on relevance, taking you one step closer to becoming a trusted advisor.